Hey, welcome to McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC. This is Riley here. Today we're going to take a look at our 2017 Cadillac XT5 Luxury all-wheel drive. This is a great crossover here that replaced the SRX in 2017. You've got the same great reliable 3.6 liter V6 engine as well. That's paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission, getting you great highway fuel economy and excellent performance here for an SUV this size. Now on the front, you're going to find your HID headlights with LED running lights that go down the side. You also have your fog lights down below and front parking sensors, which we're going to talk about more on the inside. Now in case you're wondering what color this is the Red Passion Tintcoat, probably one of my favorites for the XT5 lineup. Now down here, these are 18-inch aluminum wheels on all season tires. Still plenty of tread left on the tires. You have proximity locks on all 4 door handles, meaning as long as you have the key in your pocket, you're able to lock and unlock all 4 doors from either of the handles. Very great feature here in the Cadillac. Side blind zone monitoring is also included, meaning you're going to have feedback when you have someone approaching from a blind spot, and LED taillights. Dual exhaust system as well. Now before we hop on inside, we're going to take a quick look at the key you get with your XT5. Now you get 2 sets of keys. To use the remote start feature, hit the lock button once and hold down remote start, and you're good to go. As we take a look inside the Cadillac XT5, this is the Cirrus Leather interior, combination of nice beige seating as well as the gray throughout the door panels and dash. You also have that nice offset stitching on there as well, so very luxurious interior color combo. On the driver's door panel, you have your memory seating as well as your power adjustable side view mirrors, which are power folding as well. You also have your automatic one-touch up and down front windows and automatic one-touch down rear windows. And if we head on a little bit further into the door panel, you're going to find your tailgate controller, which you could open all the way or 3/4 if you have a tighter garage space. Last but not least, there's that Bose badge. You know this vehicle is equipped with Bose Premium Audio, only the best audio quality in the Cadillac vehicles. Now down below, just next to the driver's seat, fully power adjustable controls with lumbar support. And moving on up just next to the steering wheel, you will find your automatic, your electronic parking brake, and your interior brightness switch. So now that I've gone ahead and taken a seat inside the XT5, you're going to notice just how comfortable and quiet it is in here. Sound dampening on the front windows. You have the Bose sound isolation as well from that center point system, so no road noise or wind noise when you're driving down the highway in the XT5. Now on the dash, there is 62,209 kilometers, mostly highway from the previous owner who kept this vehicle in immaculate condition. Now you have Cadillac factory warranty still on here for a little while, as well as our Cadillac Certified warranty, which is new from the manufacturer. That's got you covered with some free oil changes and other added bonuses. Now we got a lot to cover on this leather wrapped steering wheel. Starting from the left, you're going to find your hands-free call button to make Bluetooth phone calls, and then your standard cruise controls over here. Now moving on over to the right, you are going to find your audio controls as well as your 5-point command center, which is going to configure that center LCD display on the front dash here. Now you could scroll through the different vehicle information. You have your digital speedometer, your fuel economy, or your radio info, and you could set that to whatever you want on all 3 displays. So very handy. It's going to help you keep your eyes on the road. Now a few other features we have here on the steering wheel include your forward collision alert, you have your lane departure warning, and your heated steering wheel button, which is going to have an LED indicator that's going to let you know when it's running. Last but not least, you have your radio tune buttons. Now we're going to take a look at the 8-inch Cadillac Q system. This is the infotainment system redesigned for the 2017 year model. Great interface, very easy to use. Under audio, you're going to find your Sirius XM radio, which includes, that's included for 3 months when you buy this car, as well as AM, FM, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. So that's a lot to take in, but you could basically connect any device and play music through this Bose system. That's going to sound great. Now under phone, once again, pair up a phone through Bluetooth, play some music through Spotify, or make hands-free calls. That works great. Projection is for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have OnStar Nav, climate controls right from the touchscreen, as well as SMS texting, and you also have the option to download some more apps and keep that system updated. So very easy to use, great improvement over the previous generation Q system. Over here you have a toggle for your front and rear parking sensors. And as we head on a little bit lower, you do have dual zone climate controls, of course, with heated seats for both front passengers. Excellent for wintertime. Now I'm going to introduce to you, this is the all new precision shift selector, okay? So as long as you have your foot on the brake, simply hold your hand on the button and you are able to shift into drive. Now if you want to go into reverse, you have to go up and then to the left, and now your vehicle's in reverse. So once you're in reverse, you're going to notice you do have your backup cam with trajectory, as well as the side view mirrors are actually going to fold down, giving you greater view for the curb when you're backing up. You don't want to run over the curb. Now, to put your vehicle into park, once again, foot on the brake, just hit that park button, and there you have it. Your mirrors are going to go back up. So just below the precision gear selector, you're going to have your drive mode selector and your traction control. Now, if you want to take a look at the different modes that you have in the XT5, you have 3 to choose from: all-wheel drive, sport, which is going to tighten up the steering and suspension to allow for better handling, as well as the tour mode, which is a great for driving on the highway. Now let's take one last look at the interior cabin here, and then we're going to head on up and take a look at the sunroof right away. So as we take a look at the ceiling here, you're going to find your OnStar buttons, airbag indicators, as well as your interior dome lights. Then you also have 3 programmable garage door transmitters and your slide and tilt sunroof controls. Now take a look at this massive panoramic sunroof. Absolutely great natural light in the XT5, and you could open that up no problem whatsoever. And once again, lots of room here in the XT5. Everything's power adjustable. You could also close that sunshade separately if you wish. Now let's take a peek into the back seat of the XT5. Now you're not going to be sacrificing any legroom back here because there's greatly improved cargo volume and legroom from the SRX. Now the XT5 has plenty of room for 3 adult passengers, as well as you have a leather armrest in the center, of course, with some cup holders. And you've also got your climate vents back here with some USB ports down below if you want to plug in a phone. Once again, that sunroof is going to let in so much natural light. You're going to absolutely love it. Now lowering down these rear seats, you're able to get some nice flat storage space if you'd like to put some longer items such as golf clubs or suitcases back here. Now let's go ahead and take a look into the rear hatch of the XT5. So once again, LED taillights, especially that light bar on the top looks phenomenal at nighttime. Dual exhaust system, of course. If you want to get into the tailgate, there's a button right underneath the Cadillac logo, or of course you have the button on the key fob, which you could double tap and it's going to open right up for you. Okay, so here you go. Cargo net already installed, but you could take that out as you wish. You also have a cargo cover, which is going to keep your stuff hidden and cool in the summer months. Now if you lift up this flat piece right here, you are going to have access to your spare tire, of course, and you also have a cargo rail which you could slide back and forth and adjust that however you wish. So it's a 60-40 split. You're going to have all the cargo space you need, and easy to lift up those seats with one hand. One more thing I want to note, you do have a charge outlet in the back as well. So the XT5 is a very popular crossover here. We have a couple used models, plenty of new models, but I suggest you come on down and take a look at our inventory for yourself. This one I personally think is in absolutely excellent condition. All the wheels look great. Just came out of detail the other day, so very clean Cadillac. So I suggest you come on over to McNaught Cadillac Buick GMC and speak with one of our sales professionals. They will help you out.